In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly in Microsoft Word. If you've ever found yourself needing a bit of assistance to spruce up your writing, or to catch those pesky grammar mistakes that can easily slip by, then integrating Grammarly into Word could be just what you need. Stick around and let me guide you through this simple process. First things first, you'll want to open Microsoft Office online. This is where all the magic begins. Just log into your Microsoft account if you're not already, and head straight to the Office dashboard. Once you're there, you'll see a variety of options, but for our purposes, you'll want to select Word. This is your primary tool for creating and editing documents, and it's the platform where Grammarly will be working its magic. Now let's create a blank document. This step is essential because it sets the stage for us to add the Grammarly tool. Once you have your blank document open, take a moment to explore the Word interface if you're not already familiar with it. It's always a good idea to know your tools. Look toward the top of the screen where you'll see the home menu. Go ahead and select it. This menu houses all sorts of features and functions that make working with Word a breeze, from fonts to formatting and everything in between. With the home menu open, your next step is to locate the add-ins section. This may be on the far right side of your screen depending on your setup. Click on the add-ins option. It's here that you can extend Word's capabilities to better suit your writing needs, and this is where Grammarly comes into play. Within the add-ins, you'll want to search for Grammarly. A little bit of waiting might be required as the search works to find what we need. Once Grammarly shows up in the results, you're just a couple of clicks away from having a more robust writing assistant by your side. When you see Grammarly in your search results, the next step is simply to click on Add. By doing so, you're integrating Grammarly with Word, allowing you to leverage its powerful grammar and spelling checking functions directly within your documents. After clicking Add, you can take a moment to relax and appreciate just how much smoother your writing process is going to be from here on out. With Grammarly now part of your Word setup, you can start typing away. You'll notice that Grammarly makes suggestions and corrections as you work, helping you polish your text with ease. And that's all there is to it, a quick and simple setup that makes a big difference in your everyday writing.